Pawpaw time. Look at these beauties. This cultivar is called Davis. It's actually known for really having beautiful foliage as well. Pawpaw is a tropical fruit that grows in the north, cousin to the custard apple, and guanabana. Has flavors of banana, mango, pineapple. It's got a custard-like consistency. It really is nature's dessert. Look at those guys coming out there. You get it all with the pawpaw. You get the gorgeous edible landscape tree. You get abundant fruit. These trees, these cultivated trees in full sun can produce over 35 pounds per year. These clusters can have up to 9 fruits hanging on them. Fruits can be 1, sometimes 2 pounds in size of a huge mango. Pawpaws are amazing.